Page 91, Oral E. It says words, you can sing it if you want. I sang it, but you can. We're still in A flat major. Your hand will move around a little bit, and the right hand, just follow it. I don't know that there's anything really I need to point out in the right hand except maybe the last line in the first measure. You have a fermata. I'm going to hold that. I'm going to add one extra beat to it. So it's like 1, 2, 3, hold. And then you have the dotted rhythms, so hopefully you can do those. Look at the third line. First measure, right hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Because the left hand just has a whole note. It's not going to help you out any. You got to do it. So you get the dotted rhythms and you get the fermata and you've got it. Right hand has a melody. It's got to be louder than the left. The left hand has some interesting chords. You're starting out here, which if you'll take this chord and the right hand note, it's a 1 chord. Imagine that. Next measure, it's a D natural because there's a D flat in the key signature, so it's got to be here. It looks ugly, just spell it out. Start at the bottom note. It's an F, A flat, D flat, D natural. That's it. And the next chord is an E flat, D flat, D flat. Same chords in the next line, no big deal, I hope. Third line down, look at this, 1 chord. And we got that 1 augmented chord again. The top note just goes up a half step. Going to the 4 chord, 1 chord. Cool, huh? Last line, look at these chords in the left hand. You have an E flat, F, A flat, or A natural, excuse me. There's a natural sign there. Here. And it has a fermata. Well, it has to have a fermata because I got a fermata in the right hand. So the left hand's just going to hold however long it has to stay in sync with the right hand. And then the 5/7 chord, and the 4 chord, and back to this. That's it for the left hand. Pretty simple. Once you learn this the way it's written, feel free to improvise because you don't have to do just chords. You could do other stuff try other bass patterns and see what you think. See what works for you. Try different things. Let's play this slowly. It's a slow piece anyway. I want to go slower than that. Just to check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. So your starting right hand is here. Left hand's here. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, hold, 4, 2, 3, 4, off.